Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone 13 5G with speedy curve design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 91.4% screen to body ratio. Approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 580 nits typical brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 26mm main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel mono camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm centered punch hole front facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording. Maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of Android upgrades and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz. Dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 10 GB, 14 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.79 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options, dark purple, speed green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes hybrid dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 13 5G has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 16,999 Philippine pesos. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.